Now we try again, but someone else originated. You're disappointed. Don't mind you, KUED playing in the background.
This is a monthly coordinated test of the broadcast stations and cable systems in your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. And there's been an actual emergency such as severe weather, earthquake, or evacuation. This station serves the Utah operational area.
The Corporation for Public Broadcasting, Rod Philanthropies, a great from Anne Ray Foundation, a Margaret A. Cargill Philanthropy, and I Viewers Like You. Thank you.
Okay.
This is a monthly coordinated test of the broadcast stations and cable systems in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency such as severe weather, earthquake, or evacuation, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the Utah operational area. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Call. ADX, you still on.
This is a monthly coordinated test of the broadcast stations and cable systems in your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. Had this been an actual emergency such as severe weather, earthquake, or evacuation, the alert tone would have been followed by official messages. This station serves the Utah operational areas. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.